What's up guys, Bingo here, and today we're unboxing our July luggages. This is 1 out of 3, so stick around if you want to see all of them. The first video would be the Carry On Pro, which is at, wow, it was $425, the original price, and I got it for like $270.75 on the last, what do you call it? Black Friday sale. So they do go pretty cheap. Just comes in this package. So I got 2 other luggages and I just put this inside one of them, which is, yeah, let's have a look at this. They gave a nice, I don't know, got a nice cloth here to cover, and got this, the, what is this, sand colorway. So we got this nice little letter as well, and a book is the perfect companion for your journey. You can note your personal combination, and can I just rip this up? Yeah, I can. And let's see. We're here for you. Let's have a bit of a zoom into this. Hopefully the quality is good. It's readable. Set your own TSA lock code and use your power for good. That must be included the power bank and more letters as well. So let's have a look at this. This is the bag itself. It's pretty alright. I don't have the exact specs, but I'll put in their website if anyone want to check it out. And yeah, we got TSA lock. We got this nice hard shell design and pretty good high quality wheels. Oh, and by the way, I'm filming this with EVIS 360 Ace Pro 2. If I've already uploaded the unboxing of that, I don't know which one will come first, but let's have a look at the luggage itself. So there is a strap, small little compartment here with some extra bag. Okay, put my shoes in there. I got this mesh which is not removable, I believe. It's like a organizer. Some of the things inside. And this is a USB with like July branding as well. And this one is pretty much stuck there. Silica gels. And open this with a zipper. I believe if I can find that. There is a zipper. Just can find a zip to open it up. Oh, it's there. It's in the other one. It's inside out. But yeah, July logo here. And some more. Yeah, it's the front end. More silica gel. That's basically it. That is what's inside of it. Yep. Let's close this up. Everything here. Clean it up later. And let's close this for now. I believe we're good there in that department. Now, This is I think pretty much their high-end carry-on. It's carry-on Pro. Yeah, it's expensive. I just realized it's like $400 original price for a bag. And then if you open this, you got a little nice space there. 2 mesh pockets, three mesh pockets, and then yeah. And next is open this up. Just really nice, really smooth, quite smooth experience there. And here is the power bank, which we just click that and can pop out. Whatever this, it's just July branding, and use your power for good. Made in People's Republic of China. Got some specs. If it will read 10,000 milliamp and Type C. Yeah, I'm not sure if it's like reads there, but it's pretty nice. Got 2 USB ports, Type C, micro USB. Wonder if I can see how much. Oh yeah, it presses. How much juice we got? Yeah, it's just like a lock mechanism inside of there, which is not too bad. And this is it. The July carry-on Pro in sand. That's pretty much the whole bag. Yeah, I like the quality. It's pretty good. Get the nice zippers here, and you can lock them as well. And I really like that color. Sand. It's like a sort of a pink. I'm not sure if it's showing this video properly with the lighting. But yeah, if you want to check it out, go see July. They do go on discount every now and then, so don't buy it. I'd suggest don't buy it at full price. I got it for like 270 Australian dollars from 425. Wait, is that 425? Let me see. Yeah, 425 is the original price. That's crazy steep for what do you call it? Luggage. But I will be updating another video. I'll be using this at a trip to the Philippines and check out planning to do some vlogs, videos on the trip there. And yeah, this has been the July carry-on Pro, and hope you enjoy this video. Please like, comment down below, and subscribe, and let me know if you own one of these or how durable they are. But they're very stylish. And I got 2 more to unbox, which is the Check Trump and Check Plus, and also 2 Carry Me, so 3 more videos probably. I'll see you guys on the next one.